All right, here's a full tutorial on how you're gonna land your first brand sponsorship. This is next level stuff. I'm gonna try to keep this under 3 minutes. All right, so the first part is you gotta just assess your situation, right? First, determine what is your niche, who is your audience, and then what type of products might your audience want. Now, if you have a really tight niche, right? Let's say you're just making like dog content. It's gonna be a little bit easier because you know exactly who your followers are, right? They're people that likely own dogs or they enjoy watching dog content. If you're someone who just makes lifestyle content, you just have general videos, it's gonna be a little bit tougher because you have such a wide range in your audience. So first thing is determine who your audience is and what products they might want. Now let's just stick with the dog example for a second. Here's what I want you to do. You're gonna list out 10 products that you think your audience might wanna buy. And the more unique and the more viral type of products they are, the better. Now you're gonna go to Google and you're gonna search for these products. One by one, search and then go click on every single link on that first page. Go to the second page, click on all those links too. Now what happens is you are sending signals to Google saying, hey, I'm interested in buying these products. Then what's gonna happen is over the next few days, you're gonna start to get hit with ads for these products. I want you to repeat this same process on YouTube and Facebook as well. Now over the next few days, you're gonna be getting hit with ads for these products all over the place. Whenever you see an ad, you're gonna save it. Write down the name of the company, their website, you're gonna put it into your notes. Then twice a week, you're gonna send out emails, Instagram DMs, and LinkedIn connections to all of these companies. Here's what you're gonna say in your message. Say something along the lines of, hey, I just saw an ad for your product. I think it's super unique. I love XYZ about your product. Then you want to shortly introduce yourself. Drop a link to your TikTok or wherever your audience is, and then let them know that you think your audience would be extremely interested in this product. But then here's where a lot of people go wrong with their cold messages. Most people will then go and say like, hey, my rates are $500 a post, or let's do a sponsored post together. You don't want to do that. Your objective of this first message is just to get a response. You want to leave this pretty open-ended and just start the dialogue, right? Say something along the lines of, I think we could do a collaboration together, or I would love to promote your guys' products on my page. Something very open-ended just to get a response from those companies. You're going to want to continue to work this conversation, work this relationship to get on a call with this company. As this relationship grows and this conversation continues, what you're going to want to do is optimize for the long-term deals. Give them some heavy discounts in the beginning, right? Over deliver in the beginning. Work to optimize for those long-term partnerships. And if you want more help on landing deals, give me a follow, hop in the Discord, hop on the email list.